Welcome back! Today we're taking a look at the Hyatt Regency Chicago. I've stayed at this hotel many times, and this video will be showing off some of the suite options available at this hotel. Starting off in the lobby, it's a large atrium area. There's the main restaurant on the first floor, and check-in and a bar on the second floor. Let's get right to our first suite, which is the Riverview Suite. This is a standard suite with Hyatt, and it is also a proper suite with a door separating the bedroom from the living room. There's some pretty typical Hyatt Regency furniture, but everything is clean and new given the recent renovations. Heading into the bedroom, there's a king bed and a bench seat by the window, and there really are some pretty great views of the river and the city. The bathroom is a decent size with a walk-in shower. Toiletries are in the big bottles. Now let's fast forward to May 2024 to another stay where we got upgraded to a brand new suite that had just finished its renovation. I'm not sure if this is going to be a new category of suite, and I was unable to find a name for it on the website. It looks like the Skyline Junior Suite, but it's much larger than that as it includes the adjoining king room. Starting off, it's a standard king room with a great view of the river. As it appears to be a standard room, it naturally has its own bathroom. This one has a shower tub combo. Heading into the main suite room, it is quite large and spacious with another king bed. The bathroom here has a walk-in shower. There's plenty of seating as well as a small dining table, which is always a welcome addition. The fitness center is on the second floor and is quite large and well equipped, and it has some pretty decent views. This Hyatt Regency is a bit of a rarity as it still has a Regency Club, and it's pretty spacious with nice views. There's drinks and snacks all day, with some lighter food options in the evening. Breakfast is not served here, instead globalists get their breakfast at the main restaurant. Since the renovations to this room, this is becoming my go-to Hyatt hotel in Chicago. In particular, if you're a Hyatt Globalist, then I would very highly recommend this property, due to how well they recognize Globalist benefits. I've received suite upgrades more often than not. You get the best of both worlds with the Regency Club. You get drinks and snacks all day, but breakfast is still provided in the main restaurant. There's free parking on award bookings, both valet and self-park are available. There's a destination fee of $25 that's waived, but you still get the benefits, the main one being a $25 food and beverage credit. And there's also 4 p.m. late checkout. Moving on to the general pros and cons of this hotel. On the pro side of things, it's a great location with excellent views. The rooms are all recently renovated and very clean. I found the prices to be quite reasonable, and they have, as I said, excellent Globalist recognition. On the con side of things, really the main thing I can think of is that it's a convention hotel. It can get quite busy at times, and things are very spread out inside. Overall, I'd recommend this hotel, and I'm sure I'll be staying here again next time I'm visiting Chicago. Thanks for watching!